Hi, this is Engineer Rafi and welcome to our review online. This is number 15 and 16 of our topics related to analytic geometry. Okay, this is about conic sections and how to determine if the equations is parabola, circle, ellipse, or hyperbola. Conic sections are we have circle, okay, parabola. We have also ellipse and hyperbola. Of course, everyone knows about circle, parabola, okay, the vertex, ellipse, horizontal or vertical, hyperbola. It is called conic section because these are section formed by cutting a cone. With a rectangular plane. Okay, supposing we have a cone. If you cut this cone horizontal with a rectangular plane, the section form is a circle. Okay, circle. If you cut this cone like this, the cross section to be formed is a parabola. Okay, like this. If you cut the the cone by like that, and the section to be formed is an ellipse. Okay, this is a parabola. And if two cones together, okay, okay, it will form something like this. Okay, it will form a hyperbola. Okay, just check the internet about these conic sections. Now the general equation of a conic section is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus abcd ey plus f equals 0. This is the general equations of all conic sections. Okay? If b is equal to 0, okay, if b is equal to 0, this means to say that the conic section is parallel with x or y axis. Okay, if this is 0, then the conic section is parallel to x or y axis. Now, how to determine if the equation is a circle, parabola, ellipse, or hyperbola? Okay, if by solving, okay, taking the value of a, b, c, d, e, and f, okay, if b squared minus 4ac, okay, is equal to 0, then this is a parabola. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, this is an ellipse. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, this is a hyperbola. Okay, another one is, so this is the first one. Okay, another is if a is equal to c, then this is a circle. If a is equal to c, this is a circle. If a or C is equal to 0, then this is a parabola. A or C means to say only A is given, C is not there, okay? Or C is there, A is not present in the equation. This is a parabola. If A and C if A is not equal to C but same sign, this is an ellipse. If A is not equal to C but different in sign, then this is a hyperbola. If given also the eccentricity, this is the third one. Okay. If given the eccentricity E, okay, this is the ratio of the distance, okay, from any point in the conic section. At any point, the distance from the focus to the directrix. Okay, if E is equal to 0, then this is a circle. If E equals 1, this is parabola. If E is less than 1, ellipse, and E greater than 1, hyperbola. Okay, it's hyperbola. Okay, so this is about conic sections. Like for example, okay, let me set up my if we have for example x squared plus y squared plus 3x plus 4y minus 5, this is equal to 0. This equation is a circle. Okay, the value of A and C is equal, they are equal. Okay, this is a circle. Now for example, if we have 3x squared minus 6, let's say 5y squared minus 3x plus 5y minus 8 equals 0. Given this equation is a hyperbola. Okay, this is a circle and this is a hyperbola. Why? A and C are different, are not equal, and they are different in sign. Okay, if for example we have x squared plus 3x squared plus 5y plus 3, okay, that is equal to 0. Or we have 5y squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. These equations are parabola. Okay, parabola. Why? Because C is not present and here A is not present. Okay, A or C equals 0. If an example for an ellipse, if we have 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 5x plus 2y equals 0. Okay, this is an ellipse. This is very important. Okay, this concept is very important later on in the differential and the integral calculus. Sorry. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Please study hard for your board exam. Thank you.